Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today we'll discuss about remove unused bookmarks. Bookmarks in Firefox. How many bookmarks have you added that you only used once, or right, or twice, or even for a short period of time. Before long, you have more bookmarks than you use, making the feature unproductive. You can easily remove bookmarks you no longer want. Choose a location on the left to display the bookmarks. On the right, right-click a bookmark and pick Delete Bookmark. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.